Hey guys, how's it going? This is Dilmer again and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty excited because we're gonna start setting up our project in Bitbucket. That's where we're gonna be storing our source code or assets for the game. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and go to Trello.com and into our project again. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the first task and move it from the backlog column into in progress. Because what we're gonna be doing next is we're gonna be creating a source control repository. So let's go to bitbucket.org. And if you haven't created an account already, just go ahead and do so. Once you create an account, you'll basically land into this page. Then you'll click on create, click on repository. The repository name is going to be the AR game. This is going to be a private repository. We don't want to include a README file. We're going to use Git. And we're going to use a wiki because I want to use a wiki for documentation purposes. The language that we're going to use is C#. Click on Create Repository. Now we have a source code repository that we can use to upload and download source code in textures and assets and audio, anything basically that is an asset in your game. Now we're going to go into our command line and go to the location where you want to store the game. So I happen to be there already. I want to put it under videos. And I'm going to just paste that command. And it'll give me a warning because I don't have any source code yet, and that's okay. So you can use either HTTPS or SSH. If you want to use SSH, which is what I recommend, you'll need to set up a private and a public key. The public key you'll have to provide to Bitbucket under your profile settings and basically save it there so that Bitbucket has full secure authentication with your system, so you can upload and download files without having to authenticate every time. If you use HTTPS, you'll have to provide the username and password. So yeah, make sure that you do SSH. And that's pretty much everything that was required for this video. We went through and created and moved our story from the backlog to in progress. And then we created a repository where we're gonna be hosting our assets for our game. Thanks guys.